VYRAL students, are you ready for Summer Camp 2022 here at the VYRAL Compound? We have 4 action-packed weeks of gaming and learning here at the compound you're not going to want to miss. We're going to have week 1 starting July 5th and week 4 ending July 28th. So the entire month of July, we have 4 different weeks of teaching. It's going to be limited to 15 students each class, and we're going to have 2 class times every single day. We're going to have a 9 to noon class, and we're going to have a 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. class. We're going to limit each class to 15 students, so please sign up quick. Spots will fill up very, very fast. We wanted to limit the number of students for each class so that all of the classes are very hands-on for maximum learning and maximum fun. So we're going to get into it and tell you a little bit about each week and break it down for you. But first, the cost, $150 per student, and it's going to be per week. So you can sign up for all 4 weeks and get a $75 discount if you do, or you can pick and choose what weeks you want to attend, and it's $150 per week. Let's get into week 1. Week 1, we're going to be starting with custom keyboards. Custom keyboards is a very in-demand segment. A lot of people are wanting to build their own keyboards to customize how they feel, look, sound. In week 1, we're going to be able to do that all on your own. Austin, general manager here at the VYRAL Compound, is going to go over week 1 and what it's going to entail.
Yeah, so week 1 with the keyboards, we're going to teach you everything basic to everything advanced, from putting in your switches and just installing switches and keycaps all the way down to lubing your switches, lubing your stabilizers, always to get that better sound and feel, putting foam in the case, Band-Aid modding your stabilizers and tape modding your PCBs. So just about everything and anything you can think of we'll be showing off and teaching you guys how to do to get that better sound and feel here.
And then we're going to go into week 2, PC building class, something everybody wants to learn and know how to do. You're going to be able to learn to build a PC all on your own from start to finish over the course of a week. With the class sizes being limited to 15, you're really going to get that hands-on experience building your own PC. You're going to be able to take turns putting the parts in, learning what each component name is, what it does, how they all connect and operate together, and then of course the troubleshooting part if any problems arise. By the end of this class, you will be able to build a PC all on your own very confidently. And then week 3, we're going into coding. Coding is very high in demand in every industry and every career field, so we're going to learn the basics of coding. Austin, how are they going to learn to code?
So with coding, we're going to teach you guys some introductory techniques as well as the basic forms of coding. We're going to use a game Minecraft. Who doesn't love Minecraft? The plan is you'll be able to code how the character moves, code your maps, code maybe even potentially mods. And by the end of the class, even maybe use coding to do on your own game someday.
And then week 4, we're going into 3D printing. Manufacturing and engineering is really, really popular and in demand as well, and so is 3D printing. So from start to finish, on week 4, we're going to learn how to make 3D models inside of software and to bring those 3D models to life on the 3D printer to actually print your own 3D souvenir at the end of the week. So you're going to learn from start to finish how to run a 3D printer and also operate the software behind the scenes. We're super excited. This is going to be a very tech-heavy summer camp. You can attend all 4 weeks. You will get a $75 discount for attending all 4 weeks, but you're going to be learning quite a bit. And then after or before class, you can of course game here at the compound with some of your friends. So meet new friends, learn some stuff this summer here at the VYRAL Compound.